Good morning, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY basket light pendant. I got this beautiful basket from IKEA. Luckily, Keegan already hardwired our light pendant kit in, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, this is the light pendant kit. I bought this from Home Depot. IKEA also sells these, but when we went there and I got the basket, they actually did not have these hardwiring kits at that store. But I think you can order them online, and everything I use will be linked in the description below. So as you guys can see, I have these handles on this basket right here and this wicker wrapping that goes all the way around. I'm gonna have to remove this slowly and then take these handles off. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to rewrap this with the wicker. So I'm going to start by using a knife to pop the wicker tabs at the end out from being folded in. Then I'm going to unwrap the wicker completely to reveal the end of the handle, where you'll find these little staples. I found using a knife works best to pry the handles up. Then I just rewrapped the wicker, covering any bare areas. So I had a lot of extra wicker that I didn't need, so I just cut that off and used a bit of super glue to glue that down. But if you're good at folding the tabs underneath itself, then you can do that as well. I just found that using super glue worked best for me. And then I repeated the process to both sides. Okay, so now that both of my handles are off of the basket completely, it's time to cut the hole in the bottom of the basket. So when we're cutting the hole, it needs to be the diameter of the neck of the pendant light. So you can either measure this with a measuring tape, or you can use this washer that actually screws on, and this will screw behind the light bulb to keep the basket on itself. I'm also going to be using these gardening shears. I didn't know of any other tool that would do the job just as well, because this is bamboo, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, I think it's bamboo. So I think that this would do the job better than anything else. But if you have something that will work better, then use it.